What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Latrice and I am back with another video. So in today's video, I guess I have a couple questions for y'all. You know, y'all as a whole, because I started my channel basically because people was asking me how did I get a good twist out, how did I do that to my hair, what do I use on my hair. I was getting that question a lot. What other question was I getting? How did I get my hair long? And you know, questions like that. So that's pretty much why I started my channel, because people were asking me a lot of questions about my hair, and also people were telling me like, oh, you should start a YouTube channel about your hair. And so that's what I did, you know what I mean? And for about a year now, I've been giving y'all tips and tricks, and I've been, you know, putting out the products that I use on my hair, my natural hair. And I guess my question is, do the tips and tricks and products I actually give y'all be working? Because I don't know, like, I want to know that I'm doing my job, you know what I mean? Like, I want to know that the stuff I be saying to do be actually working for y'all, you know what I mean? Because they work for me. That's why I clearly, like, you know what I'm saying, come on, hello, they work for me. But I just want to know, like, is the stuff I'm actually saying to y'all to do, like, is it actually working? Do my product recommendations, do they work for y'all? You know what I mean? Like, I'm trying to figure out my question for y'all. Well, yeah, I guess that is the question. Do the product recommendations that I give for y'all, do they really work? Like, do y'all be testing them out? Do y'all be trying them out? And do they be working? Do my twist out methods work? You know what I mean? Because I want to know, you know what I mean? I've been doing this for about a year and some change, and I want to know, like, is y'all's hair growing? Is it flourishing? Is it getting thicker? Because that's my main focus, you know what I mean? Like, that's basically why I started my channel, because I wanted to tell other girls, women, and show other girls and women what I do to my hair, how I get it to grow healthy. Because, you know, anybody can have long, healthy hair, you know what I mean, if you do the right things and follow the right steps, you know? So yeah, I guess that's my question to y'all. I just want to know, why do y'all watch me? You know, do you get a laugh? Because sometimes I'm kind of funny, you know. I think so. I think I be, you know, cracking a little bit of jokes or whatever, but I think I'm kind of funny. You know, why do y'all watch me? Do y'all watch me for hair growth tips? Do y'all watch me because, you know, y'all like the twist out recommendations, or the wash and go recommendations? You know what, I want to know why y'all watch me. And if you do follow my twist out routines, twist out steps, do they work for you? Like, I don't know, I just want to know, does what I do work for y'all? Because that's why I have my channel in the first place. Like, this is a lot of rambling, but I don't know, like, my mind was everywhere. But I just decided to turn on the camera because, okay, airplane. We're just gonna, okay, but yeah, I just want to know, like, why y'all watch me? Like, you know, because when I get on this camera, I be talking to myself, but you know, I'm talking to y'all, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, I just want to know, do y'all like the products that I be talking about? Do y'all use them? And yeah, I guess that's basically it. I like what I do, you know what I mean? But I want to, if it's not, what's the right word? If it's not beneficial towards my audience, then that's a problem, you know what I mean? Because I get on here and I record videos and I show what I do to my hair, but you know, I want it to be able to benefit somebody. I want somebody to be able to learn and stuff like that, especially young girls, because I know that there are some girls out there that don't have moms, or there are some girls that only have dads, and you know, your dad don't really know how to do your hair, so you know, all you have is pretty much basically yourself. So I want girls to learn. That's why I do like simple styles on my channel, so that, you know, young girls can learn how to do them. Like, this is a simple twist out, you know what I mean? A simple braid out, a simple high ponytail, a simple low bun, a sleek simple low bun. Like, my styles are very, very simple, and too, because they help me grow my hair. But my styles are very simple because, you know, I want everybody to learn how to do their natural hair, because when I was growing up, I didn't know how to do my natural hair. So I grew up in, okay, so I'm gonna give y'all a little story time. Hopefully y'all don't mind. But when I was 12, I went to middle school. So I went to middle school in Georgia, but I came from Flint. I came from Flint, Michigan. I wasn't born in Flint, but I still say I'm from Georgia because I am from Georgia. But I lived in Flint for a little period of time. So growing up in the 6th grade in Flint, at the time, you are considered elementary. You know what I'm saying? You're considered elementary school. But in Georgia, if you in the 6th grade, you go to the middle. There's a middle school. They have middle school over there. So, you know, I wasn't really ready for that change, because in the 6th grade in Flint, you still getting treated like an elementary schooler. But in Georgia, I was getting treated like, you know, young adolescent, basically. And that's totally different. So I was still wearing ponytails and stuff like that, you know what I mean? Like, I still had like the plaits and the ponytails. I'll insert a picture if I can find one. But yeah, I was like 11. How old are you when you went in 6th grade? 11, still wearing ponytails, because my mama didn't know. Well, I had a lot of hair, you know what I'm saying? So she didn't really do much to my hair. And my mama, she worked, so my hair was either in some ponytails or in braids. And so I went to Georgia, the middle school, with some ponytails. And you know, the girls looked at me, they was like, why she got ponytails in her hair? You know what I mean? Like, so yeah, that's when I started straightening my hair, because, you know, I didn't want to look like a child, basically. And I look like a child, but I didn't want to look like an elementary schooler, you know what I mean? So I started straightening my hair in middle school, and yeah, it all broke off. Well, not all of it, but the majority. My hair was fried and dyed. So, you know, that's just my story. But I want some of y'all, I don't want what I went through to happen to anybody else. Like, you know, even though like natural hair is you know, more accepted, because when I was younger, if you had natural hair, I had natural hair, but it was like it was always blow dried or straightened, you know what I mean? So natural hair is more accepted in today's community, in today's world. So I want, you know, young girls to watch my videos and get something from it, basically, like, you know. So yeah, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but hopefully y'all understand. I just want to know if what I'm doing is helpful, you know what I mean? Because if not, I can do like a thorough, in-depth video on how to do a twist out or a braid out, you know what I mean? So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Let me know if you like what I do. And yeah, I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Give me your feedback. Like, I want to know. I want to hear it. Make sure your post notifications are on. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice, the same as my YouTube channel. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.